Hello everyone, welcome to Teacheral Matrix and Tutorials. So for today's video, we are going to square numbers between 100 and 109. This trick can be used if you are answering examinations and you have only limited time to answer. So let us have an example. So if we have 105 squared, all you have to do is add the number to the ones digit. So you are just going to copy 105 plus the ones digit, which is 5, and then add. So 105 plus 5 is 110. Now next step is get the ones digit or the square of the ones digit. So the ones digit here is 5 square, that means 5 times 5, and that's 25. And then rewrite this. So the answer is 11,025. Let us have another example. 103 squared. So all you have to do is write this one, 103 plus the ones digit, which is 3, and the sum of 103 and 3 is 106. Now get the square of the ones digit. So that is 3 squared, and that's 3 times 3, and that is 9. Now if the result is a single digit like this one, you just have to add 0 in front of it. So you have to put 0 here and then rewrite 106 and 0, 9. So your answer is 10,069. Okay, so let us have another example. Let's try 100, the square of 100. So write 100 plus the ones digit, which is 0, and that is 100. Get the ones digit, which is 0, square it. That is 0 times 0 equals 0. And then rewrite this one and this one. So you will have 1,000. The square of 100 is 1,000. Let's try this one, 109. The square of 109. So copy 109 plus 9, and that is 118. Get the ones digit, square it. That is 9 times 9 is 81. And then rewrite this. So you have 18,881. So this is your turn. Square 108.